So that's the same verse, 10:29:40, arises there and describing this Gopi Bhav. Then there's comments, more comments on this verse in 8 verses. So in the beginning of those verses, it says that Lord Chaitanya, which means Radharani, angrily spoke these verses to Krishna when floating in the waves of Gopi Bhav, especially Mahabhav. This is in Antilila Chaitanya Charitamrita, chapter 17, verse 39. Eta kahe krodaveshe bhavar eta kahi krodaveshe bhavera tarange bhase. That's pretty obvious. Krodavesh. He was totally absorbed. Krodavesha bhave. Krodavesh, entering into deep anger, and then floating in the waves of prem, in the waves of Mahabhav. Radharani's floating in the waves of Mahabhav, and then becomes very angry. This is one of the anubhavas, or you can say vyavachari bhavas, become angry. And then she starts speaking these verses. So we can read those verses from the Chaitanya Charitamrita. This is, as I said, this is Antilila chapter 17, verses 32 through 49. It's quite a few verses. But what is the life of a devotee? The life of a devotee is hearing, chanting, remembering the Nam, Rup, Gun, and Leela of Krishna.